Assalamu alaikum. I'm so delighted that you've allowed me into your homes, brothers and sisters. So many of you joined me for the Million Man March, which was a day of atonement. But the media has asked, what has Farrakhan done since the Million Man March? Farrakhan can lead you, but after today, it shall be said that Farrakhan can feed you. Oh yes, brethren, and let it be said that Farrakhan can cook. I ask you, brothers and sisters, to join me today in preparation for the Million Man Brunch. Oh, and this time, women and children, yes? This time, women and children are invited. For centuries, our black women have been slaving in the kitchen. Now it's time for the black man to seize the apron, and not just what's underneath the apron. Today, I will show you how to make Chalmers Calypso chicken. This chicken has been marinated for 400 years. Just as we have been as people. The first thing we must do for this recipe to succeed is to separate the white meat from the dark. Now, I know some of you may have trouble doing that because you have been brainwashed by the Colonel. You must remember to use the salt sparingly. Do not rub the salt into the chicken the way it has been rubbed into our wounds. Do not use the man's bitter herbs and spices, for the moment has come to seize the time, brother. The moment has come, brethren, to seize the time. We shall overcome, not overcook. We shall overthrow, not oversalt. We shall overwhelm, not overbaste. We shall overturn the chicken every half hour so that it does not burn, baby burn. We will not fry this chicken, but purify it and bake it by any means necessary. Surely the chickens have come home to roost at 438 degrees. That's 1 degree for every year of our oppression. For a side dish, may I suggest carrots, so that we are no longer blinded, brethren. And greens, for to be truly healthy, we need green not only in our pockets, but also on our plates. The media says that Farrakhan can incite hate. Why, today I have shown you that Farrakhan can cook. Please join me next time, brethren, when I will show you how to make sweet sweetbacks, badass sweet potato pie.